Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to Someone Packers YouTube. Um, today we will be opening up some Chronicles. As I'm filming this, the hot items to get right now are Score and Chronicles. Obviously Chronicles is a little higher up than Score, but these are the two products that are stocking the most. There are some select boxes and a few Panini Prism basketball boxes that are being stocked throughout Walmarts as of today, right now. But the big ones are Chronicles and Score. And my last video, I opened up a Score Blaster. I had 20, and as of right now, I just have this one left. I'm keeping that one sealed. So I parted ways with the other 18, and then I have a whole bunch of Score packs. In front of me, I probably have about 30. I had, I think, 39 to begin with, but I gave some to my brother and some friends at cost, and the rest will be going towards breaks. And I will be breaking some Score packs and some Chronicle packs in my future breaks. And I will probably be getting more, but I am going to keep that Chronicles blaster and that Score blaster sealed, and that Chronicles hanger sealed. That's the first this is all the first Chronicles I got so far, and it's been out for about a month because every time when I ran into Chronicles before, I had the option of just getting Chronicles or Select, and I obviously chose Select, where I just got one blaster, one mega, and one hanger. So, well, I got a few other blasters actually, but yeah, Chronicles it's on the lower spectrum of the mix, but I like Chronicles because it has a mix of all of the products, and for my personal favorites, it's Optic is my favorite, and then it's a tie between Select and Prism, but I honestly like Select better. I'm not sure why. But anyways, so this break, or this unboxing, unpack, whatever, is gonna be very short and small. It's just gonna be 3 Chronicles packs. I have 14 in front of me. I had, one second. I did have 16, but I gave 2 to my brother. My brother, I will put his YouTube channel on down below, and you could check out his videos if you like. But I have 14 of these, and like I said, I had probably 30 of these. I will be breaking all these scores. I will keep that blaster for PC sealed, and I will be breaking all of the Chronicles besides the 3 that I open right now. And when I was debating, I definitely wanted to open up some Chronicles because I haven't opened up Chronicles yet. I opened up a Score Blaster. You could go watch that. But I like to open up some of each product, and I haven't opened up a Chronicles yet, so I was deciding what I should do. Should I do the blaster? Should I do the hanger and the blaster? Should I do a fat pack and a hanger? Or what should I do? And I decided I'll just do 3 packs, because 3 packs is about equivalent to 1 blaster with any product. 3 Score packs is about equivalent to 1 Score Blaster. It's probably a little less actually, but price wise, 3 packs at $6 a pack, that's 18 bucks, and then after taxes around 20 bucks. You get just about the same amount of cards, 40 cards in the blaster. You actually get more with these. You get 15, so 15 times 3, 45. So 5 extra cards. Chances of hitting are probably less likely in these, which is definitely okay. I just wanted to open up some to get a feel for it. So, let's get right into it. Now, of course, before we open up the packs, we gotta weigh them. So we're gonna weigh them to get the heaviest one. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do that. I actually tried doing that when I was giving them to my brother because I wanted to give my brother the heaviest packs because he's young and I want him to pull some good stuff. And they all weighed the same, so yeah, I'm not too sure which ones are good, which ones are not. But what I'm wanting to get is a clear card. I don't care of who. I just want to see what a clear card looks like, and I'd prefer optic or donruss, whatever, because that's my favorite line. I really like donruss optic, and or obviously Black Prism. And being from Green Bay, obviously, as I say in like all my videos, hoping for some Packers, Jordan Love, AJ Dillon. If not, then any of the top rookies. So I'm going to do these 3 as of right now. It might change, but yeah, let's jump right into it. Hopefully I'll be getting some good stuff out of these 3. And if you want to get into any of my future breaks, I will put a link to my eBay down below and a link to my Facebook down below as well, because sometimes I try to run breaks on my Facebook, and it's obviously cheaper because there's no eBay fees, and it's easier to manage. But let's get right into it. First pack of my Chronicles, and it looks like we might have a Black Prism in here. I hope. AJ Brown, Justin Herbert. Oh, that's awesome. Stephon Diggs, TJ Hawkinson, Chris Godwin, Kurt Warner. Looks like we do have a black, so we're gonna go from the back. Joe Burrow. Now this seems normal more times than not, where you get all the good rookies in the same packs, because this stuff is pretty stacked with the good players. CD Lamb, which is totally fine by me. They aren't the most desirable or highest quality, but another Justin Herbert. So there we go. I really like that one. Jeremy Chin. Okay. Jalen Reagor. Neato. I think this one could be score. No. Denzel Mims. Okay. Denzel Mims. Looks like Prism is here, so we're going to say that one for last. Kurt Warner. Then, what is it? Exclusive Omega Rookies. So here we go to the Omega Rookies. Antonio Gibson. KJ Hamler. And is it going to be a rookie? Justin Herbert. No way, you are kidding me. Oh, wow. I got I got lucky. Wow. I am shocked. I'm just shocked right now. I chose the right pack. Wow. Holy cow. Okay. That's amazing. Whew. That's my first like pull out of anything. And I don't know. I wouldn't say it's my first pull, but that's nuts. So it looks like this one might be another. Wow. Looks like this one might be another Black Prism, maybe. Nah, I don't think so. I think this one might not have anything. We'll see. Travis Kelce, I'd be fine with that. Lamar Jackson, Randy Moss, Nick Chubb, Ben Roethlisberger, Jalen Hurts. I'm not sure what this one is. Jalen Hurts, not sure which one this is. What product this is out of. Oh, it looks like I have a clear card out of here. That's cool. Jacob Eason. Michael Pittman Jr. So it looks like I do have a clear card. Thank you. I was wanting one of those as well. Jordan Love, my guy. So we're hitting like basically all the rookies, which is amazing. CeeDee Lamb. Justin Jefferson, this is one of my favorites. James Robinson. DeAndre Swift. And the clear card is Chase Claypool. Playoff momentum. Chase Claypool. I really like how these look. I will be excited to put this into a sleeve and a top loader. Wow. These look really awesome slabbed up, I hear as well. I was curious how these are, like, because they seem, when I saw pictures of them, they look like they were plastic. And that's indeed what they are. So I would imagine that they're probably more sturdier than your standard cardboard cards. But I will definitely be sleeving all of the rookies after the video is over. I only have one more pack left. But geez, I am first pack Justin Herbert Black. That's nuts. That's just insane. Alrighty, DeAndre Swift, Sean Alexander, throwback, Patty, Calvin Ridley, Dalvin Cook. We got a Justin Herbert, another Justin Herbert. I like this one. Looks like another clear card in here. Antonio Gandy-Golden, James Robinson. We'll go with the back. Denzel Mims, Cam Akers, Jeff Okudah, Brandon Ayuk. That might actually even be my first Brandon Ayuk card. Another Jalen Hurts. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And Jordan Love. Let's go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I, as a Packer fan, this is what I hope and dream of. This right here is what I hope and dream of out of 3 packs. And, you know, I'll definitely take this one too. But wow. I chose 3 very good packs. Now, I obviously did get these around Green Bay. Not in Green Bay, but around Green Bay. And man, oh man. Maybe they just stack Green Bay product up with Jordan Love's, but wow. This one, I really like this one. Wow. I am very happy. Alrighty, so that's my video. Thanks for watching.